All right, let's talk content creation for a second, because if you're trying to post consistently right now, visuals are everything. You can have the best caption in the world, but if your visual doesn't grab attention, people are scrolling right past it. And that's where Nano Banana AI Lauki changes the game. So what is Nano Banana? It's Google's AI image generation model built right into the Gemini platform. The name started as a fun internal nickname at Google DeepMind, and it just stuck. You can access it through Google AI Studio, the Gemini app, or the Gemini API. Normally, creating high-quality visuals means opening Photoshop, Canva Pro, or spending hours trying to get the perfect image. With Nano Banana, you can generate and edit realistic images in seconds using just text prompts. We're talking Instagram posts, TikTok covers, YouTube thumbnails, the kind of visuals that actually make people stop scrolling. Faster visuals means faster posting, and consistency is what wins on social right now. One of my favorite features, character consistency. You can create a unique character or persona, and Nano Banana keeps it looking the same across multiple images. That's a big deal because most AI image tools give you a slightly different version every time. With Nano Banana, you can build a recognizable visual identity for your brand without hiring an illustrator. Use it across thumbnails, posts, and cover images, and suddenly, your content feels way more you. That kind of brand consistency is what separates casual creators from the ones people actually follow. And here's something people sleep on: image editing with text prompts. You don't just generate from scratch. You can upload an existing photo and edit it using natural language. Want to change the background? Swap an outfit? Add dramatic lighting? Just describe it and Nano Banana handles the rest. That's huge for product visuals, lifestyle content, or branded posts without learning complex software. Now here's a trend that's been blowing up: the 3D figurine style. Nano Banana can generate images that look like realistic, collectible figures in packaging. Quick clarification though, these aren't actual 3D models you can rotate or export. They're flat images styled to look three-dimensional. But they're incredibly eye-catching for social media and have gone absolutely viral. Let's talk thumbnails because this actually affects your views. Using AI-generated visuals for thumbnails is a straight-up cheat code: a stylized character interacting with bold text, a product mock-up with perfect lighting, a scene that looks like it took hours to set up but really took you 30 seconds. That kind of stuff stands out instantly in a feed. And when your thumbnail looks different from everyone else's, your click-through rate thanks you for it. The versatility here is wild too. Lifestyle creators can build product mock-ups and fashion visuals. Marketers can whip up ads and promo images in minutes instead of days. Educators can make custom illustrations for science or tech explainers. Small business owners can generate branded content without needing a design team or a big budget. Whatever your niche is, there's a use case here. Now, quick heads up. If you need actual 3D models, files you can import into Blender, Unity, or Unreal Engine, Nano Banana isn't built for that. For real 3D asset creation, look into tools like Meshi, Tripo AI, or Rodin. Those are purpose-built for generating 3D meshes with proper file exports. Also, one important thing: there are tons of third-party websites popping up using the Nano Banana name that aren't officially Google. The real deal is through Google AI Studio or the Gemini app. Be careful with random sites that show up in search results claiming to be the official version. Keeping it real, Nano Banana isn't here to replace creativity. You still need ideas. You still need taste. You still need to know your audience. What it does is remove friction. Less time stuck in editing tools. Less burnout from trying to make every single visual from scratch. More time actually creating, experimenting, and posting consistently. If this breakdown helped, drop a like, subscribe for more creator workflows like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.